In this quick course, you will learn how to upload Azure DevOps sample files for the Universal Connector application in BMC AMI SQL Assurance for Db2. Before you begin, make sure that you have downloaded the Universal Connector package from the BMC EPD site and completed the required setup steps. For more information, see the additional Universal Connector quick courses and product documentation in the video description. To begin, navigate to your Azure DevOps project. Click Repos, and then select Files. To create the required folders, select your repository. Click the More Options menu, select New, and then select Folder. In the New Folder field, enter Demo Properties. In the New File Name field, enter README. And then click Create. The README file is not required, so you can click the Commit button without any updates. In the Commit dialog box, add any comments, specify your branch name and then click the Commit button. Repeat this process to create another folder. In the New Folder field, enter Demo Samples. In the New File Name field, enter README. And then click Create. Similar to the Demo Properties README file, it is not required, so you can click the Commit button to save. In the Commit dialog box, add any comments, specify your branch name and then click the Commit button. To upload the plugin Properties file, click the More Options button for the Demo Properties folder and select Upload Files. You can drag the AMI DevOps Properties file or browse to its location. This file is located in the Azure DevOps folder within the extracted Universal Connector package. Enter a commit message, select the appropriate branch, and then click Commit. The Properties file is now available in the Demo Properties folder. To upload the sample configuration files, open the Demo Samples folder. Click the More Options menu, and then select Upload Files. You can drag the sample configuration and pipeline YAML files or browse to their location. These files are located in the SQL Assurance sample folder within the Azure DevOps directory of the extracted Universal Connector package. Enter a commit message, select the appropriate branch, and then click Commit. The sample files are now available in the Demo Samples folder. You can repeat these steps to upload additional files required for your pipeline, such as DDL or JCL. Thank you for watching. For more information about any BMC mainframe product, check the video description for links to documentation and related videos.